National Council and the National Executive Committee war NPP amanyoko no nyina na won agye atomo se won mo super delegate conference ne de won mu biemu se be ye bekoso amiamia no na bibia yeyie enura won mu ye hyiamudie ene wo twetwe ni Justin Frimpong Kodua e de sansemi etudwa.
Good evening to all of you. As you are aware, the National Executive Committee earlier met just now with the venue for our special electoral college. Per our constitution, if after close of nomination and after vetting, we have more than 5 aspirants, the constitution stipulates that there should be a special delegate college to trim the number or the numbers to 5. So the vetting committee submitted their recommendation to National Council, and today National Council unanimously approved of the recommendation by the vetting committee. Another issue that came up for discussion was with respect to the venue to hold the special electoral college. After debate among ourselves, National Council came to the conclusion that the precedent in 2014 should stand, which means that the special delegate college will be held at the various regions, except for one that will be held at headquarters for national officers, external branches, and members of the National Council of Elders.
We are disappointed, but we have hope and we believe that once the leadership have made this commitment, they will design and implement the decision in a way that will benefit everybody. So yes, we didn't accept the idea in the first place, and yes, once it's been decided, we have to accept it. But we have a right to be disappointed. But in being disappointed doesn't mean we've rejected the decision.